Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to use Chrome Web Store. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. First of all, open Google. Then search for Chrome Web Store. A web store is just like your Android has Play Store for apps. Your iOS has App Store for their apps. Your Google browser also has a web store, but not for apps, but for extensions. So if you look closely, on the top right-hand side, I've got 4 extensions added. One is the Teleparty extension. This extension is installed from Chrome Web Store. The other extension is the IDM module, which is Internet Download Manager. There are also some of the other extensions, such as Grammarly and so on, that I've added to my Chrome browser, so that if I'm doing anything it can. Also correct me. Now, in order to search for a specific extension that you would like to add, you can just click the Search to Store button. Over here, you can search for a VPN extension if you want to use VPN for your browser. You can search for Google Translate. You can search for any of the other type of extensions that you wish to install. So, for this case, I can click the Add to Chrome option here. And then it will give me this little pop-up where I have to click on Extension. Then it will finish adding up the extension to my browser. Then after it's done, that by default the extension is going to be hidden. To unhide it, you can just click this cloud-like icon, and then if you want, you can pin it. Right now, Teleparty extension is pinned. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.